All right, we just hit our first milestone, and I want to thank everybody for all your support and encouragement, all the likes and comments. Those really help grow the channel, and I couldn't be happier. It's all happened so much faster than I expected it to. And now that we've hit our first 1,000 subscribers, we've hit our first milestone, and as promised, it's time to announce the winner of the giveaway of the Powkey portable power station. Drum roll, please. And the winner is of the Powkey portable power station. I'm going to quickly pause this video for a moment and ask you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and the like button as well while you're at it. Then ring that notification bell to get notifications. I'd really appreciate it. Now let's get back to it. And the winner is Okie Dokie Push Mowing. So if you're Okie Dokie Push Mowing, look in the About section of my channel, and you can find my email address there. Go ahead and shoot me an email and send me your address, and I'll get this out to you. I'll announce the new giveaway here shortly. I'm not exactly sure what that's going to be yet, so look forward to something coming in the near future. So once again, I want to thank everybody for all your support and encouragement for the channel, and I look forward to many years producing content here on YouTube for all of you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.